Welcome back. Here we are at week 3 of the piecing, but this is part 4 of 6. So the introduction was part 1, and then we have 5 weeks of sewing. Here are your next blocks, and they're blocks 10, 11, 12, and 13. And let's look at those. Here they are close-up. There's your close-up version for when you're piecing them together. And now let's look at the blocks. Here's block 10, and it's symmetrical. There's really not a rhyme or reason here that I can tell. I see a pinwheel in the center, and then it just seems like blocks are radiating out. It's a different design. And here is block 11. And this looks like another kind of windmill block to me. So there's the pinwheel in the center, and then it has these longer little blades coming out. And these are both symmetrical. And this is block 12. These are 4 sets of pinwheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those are cute. This is also symmetrical. And this is like a square on square or a frame on point. It makes a little frame here and then triangles in the corner. And this one too is symmetrical. Now let's put them together in the row. These last 3 lessons are going to get a little repetitious because hopefully at this point you're comfortable with making the half square triangles and putting together the blocks and putting your rows together if you've kept up with that. And if you haven't kept up with it, that's perfectly fine too. Just jump in wherever you are and you'll get it done. So here is the row number 3, and this is block 9 from last time, and this is 10, 11, and 12, and then we have block 13, which we'll use for row 4. So we'll put this to the side for now. And I also have made my sashing strip for the bottom. And now I'll sew the sashing strip at the bottom of this, then I'll sew this row to row 2, and then we'll show you the finished rows.